3-wall shower, pony wall, and this guy just poured the mortar bed straight onto bare wood. No membrane, no pre-slope, nothing protecting that subfloor. This thing would have leaked like a sieve and it was upstairs. This would have been a $15,000 mistake. This is how it should look before the hot mop or your waterproof membrane, pre-sloped and backered. And then I'm just showing you there, the first time there was no header back there. So I had the contractor put a header in there when he did all the rest of the job for me. First, moisture barrier goes up on the walls, then waterproof sheetrock over that. You want that protection layered.
Well done. With our blue board, waterproof, see?
While I waited for the hot mop, we jumped on this floor. I didn't want to wait around because then you just get backed up. Keep going, no matter what. This is old tile man's trick. Make sure you lay out a row of the exact tile you're going to be sitting. That way you can get great cuts at the curb and as you walk into the room.
One floor completed. Oh yeah. Finished putting on the old clear membrane here. There we go. Ready for fat mud tomorrow. Can't wait, huh? Mud is all mixed up, ready to slap on the wall. Yep. Here we are, day 6. Got mud on the wall. If you want to learn how to do this, go to my, I'll put the link below. And when you check it out, I want you click to subscribe me. Check that.
The mortar is on the wall. Nice, flat, and plumb. Old school, no board. And next you're going to see my son is troweling out this thin set. He's taking his time to make sure all the ridges are exactly the same. You don't want any bumps, globs, whatever. You trowel this thin set out correctly, your tile goes in sweet. That 3x6 loves it when it's like this. Consistency. 3x6 subway tile is going to go on the wall. And if you look at this massive soapbox, you notice that piece of wood? It's called a bridge. I put that across so I could stack the tile on top of it and it doesn't slide down. This 3x6 just went right into that massive soapbox. And if you see those orange things, those are tiled in spacers. They work sometimes. I'll pull them if they're too far out. Then I had to float the top of the soapbox and the bottom, the top of the pony wall, the side, and the curb. And I pre-floated the shower floor. And that's a...
She decided to have that, this is a magazine nook. So when you're on the toilet. So it's all trimmed out. Check this floor out. Big tile again. Remember, you got to miter these corners. So all this water pitches toward the drain. So that right there is flat. And then I just put a screed from here, there, for the corners. I make this flat so you can put this big tile in here. Check this out. All the quarter rounds are on. And if you people don't know what quarter rounds, these are quarter rounds, see? Quarter rounds. They go, they trim out the whole. See that? Look at this. And this, that's called surface bullnose. See how I split it? So, yeah. What's in there? So, there we go. Tomorrow I grout. It's going to take 2 days. We're doing winter gray, flip plank wood-like flooring, or wood-like tile, and then I'm doing unsanded white for 3x6 subway design on the wall. So tight joint, unsanded, anything over 1/8, sanded.
Look at the tape I've used here. If you're going to use 2 different color grouts, you got to tape before you grout so the grout doesn't stain or get into the other joint of the other tile. I'm just showing you a close-up of all this. The wood-like plank, I grouted it all and it came out sweet. Everything's ready for the next day to grout up.
Okay, as you see, I've taped up all my stuff, floor, got my grout ready. That's what you want to do. So, whether it was a joint or this, I taped it so it doesn't stain it. So that's how you do two different color grouts. So, if you're using masking tape, you can leave it on, but make sure you take it off the next day. If you don't take it off the next day, man, that stuff will weld on there. If you're not sure, use painter's blue tape first, and then the white tape. That way when you peel it off, the blue tape will come off. But don't just use the blue tape and try to grout with it, because the water wets that blue tape, and man, that stuff disintegrates, and it'll be left with a gooey mess. You'll be having to scrape it off your tile. So, and I already mixed my grout out. There's a link below, and I'm not going to videotape this shower, so there's another link, how to grout a shower the right way, how to mix grout the right way. On the floor, how to grout a wood-like tile plank flooring. I get that link below too. So all the links I'm going to put below, how to set all this stuff.
When I came and seen the shower, it was a mess. No membrane, no pre-slope, no header. All that got corrected before I even started. It's what's behind everything that really matters. Make sure your guy knows what he's doing. If you watch these videos, you'll learn. Every step in order. Right materials, old school mortar, the way it was meant to be built. I'm not knocking foam board, but mortar's the best way. It's been around for centuries. I've been doing this for 40 years. If you watch my videos, you'll learn it once and do it right forever. God bless. See you on the next one. And sometimes I get to go back and look at these jobs, and this is her all finished with her everything installed. And I have a book, Grout Like a Pro. I'm going to leave the link below. Get it before you even grout anything.